Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we are talking about the best 3D printers for dental models. These individual printers are especially for users who need to 3D print dental models for clinical or educational purposes. And with that in mind, we have determined the 5 best 3D printer brands for drones. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a huge difference in the performance of your dental models. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top 5 3D printers for dental models. Each offers a 3D printer a great combination of features, including accuracy, speed, durability, and affordability. It can easily create and customize your dream dental model precisely and accurately. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Halot-Mage Pro Lite High-Speed 3D Printer. The Halot-Mage Pro Lite 3D printer is one of the most exciting advancements in dental modeling. With its lightning-fast printing platform, it takes dental innovation to new heights. Imagine printing each layer in a mere 1.2 seconds, allowing for quick and efficient production. Not only is the Halot-Mage Pro Lite a speed demon, but it also ensures exceptional quality. Thanks to its revolutionary exposure re-evolution technology, your dental models will have soothing and natural surface effects. Say goodbye to rough edges and hello to smooth, precise contours. The model's intricate details will be brought to life with stunning clarity. The Halot-Mage Pro Lite also understands the need for convenience. Its professional flip cover design allows for easy, one-handed opening and closing. Its compact open-lid state takes up minimal space, making it ideal for any dental studio, office, or workshop. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box.